In this video, you'll learn how to get a TIN tax identification number online using the BIR's ORAS online registration and update system. First, go to official website and click new registration. Then choose individual and select without existing TIN if you're applying for the first time. Read and accept the terms, then create your ORAS account by entering your details including name, birth date, email, and password. After verifying your email, log in and start filling out Form 1904 by providing your personal info, address, and contact details. You'll need to upload a valid government issued ID and a selfie holding that ID. Once all steps are completed and reviewed, submit the application. You'll receive an email confirmation, and after 3 working days, your TIN number will be sent via email if approved. If no email arrives, visit the nearest BIR office for assistance. First, do your own research. Thank you.